AG Technologies are experts in the design, engineering, and installation of ARCs. In an emergency situation, our technology provides a comprehensive communication solution for first responders reporting to a high-rise emergency, and also allows for full control of the locations of first responders across the building in real time. AG Technologies' ARC system monitors itself fully through the antennas and provides real-time reports via SMS or email. AG Technologies' ARC systems allow for the installation and conversion of a building with minimal investment and little disruption. We have the complete in-house capabilities to design, file, install, test, and commission an ARC system and obtain FDNY approval with very little interference of the building's current infrastructure, as well as little interruption to the ongoing operations of the facility. And once the system is installed and commissioned, AG Technologies will also perform the regular inspections, maintenance, and recertification requirements imposed by the FDNY. AG Technologies' patented technology, designs, engineering, and service is cutting edge and second to none in the industry. We bring 50 years of fire protection experience and decades of industry knowledge to your project.